Throughout history, certain birds have played pivotal roles that shaped our world. Take the humble pigeon, for instance. During World War I, these remarkable birds carried crucial messages across enemy lines, saving countless lives. Then there's the majestic eagle, a symbol of freedom and power, inspiring nations and movements. The dodo, though extinct, serves as a stark reminder of the impact of human actions on nature. And let's not forget the canary, once used in coal mines to detect toxic gases, protecting miners from danger. Each of these birds tells a story of resilience and change, reminding us of the interconnectedness of life. If you find these tales fascinating, consider subscribing to my channel for more insights into the incredible influence of nature on our history.